Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Tailscale VPN versus Twingate VPN. Now, Tailscale VPN is a mesh VPN built on WireGuard, enabling secure, direct peer-to-peer connections between devices without the need for a central server. Now, Twingate, on the other hand, is a Zero Trust Network Access, or ZTNA, solution that replaces traditional VPNs, providing secure access to internal resources without exposing them to the internet. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Tailscale here. So the pros of Tailscale is that it is easy to set up and configure. It offers a secure, high-performance connection. It supports a wide range of devices and platforms. It is ideal for personal use, small teams, and home labs. Now the cons of it is that it is not designed for traditional VPN use, like accessing geo-restricted content. It has limited support for advanced networking features, and may require technical expertise for complex configurations. So this kind of VPN doesn't work, for example, for Netflix. So you want to access specific shows in other countries, so you can't use this for that type of use. And for Twingate VPN, the pros and cons of it is that the pros are it enhances security by eliminating exposed VPN gateways. It offers granular access controls and detailed logging. It is scalable and suitable for enterprise environments, and it improves network performance by routing traffic efficiently. Now, the cons of it is that it may be overkill for a small-scale personal use. It requires for integration with existing infrastructure, and potential complexity in initial setup and configuration, especially for beginners. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose Tailscale if you need a simple, secure, and easy to deploy solution for personal or small team use. And you should opt for Twingate if you're seeking a robust, scalable solution for enterprise networks and with advanced security and access control requirements. So that is it. That is the difference between Tailscale and Twingate. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.